and we're looking at making substantial changes to our industry and our profession. So when we think about research and its impact and relevance to architecture, we really have to think about the value that we need to extract from that whole process. And it's really about the kinds of questions that we need to ask and that we're not asking. And specifically, what is building envelope? What does it need to be in 20 or 30 years? And so traditionally, those are the kinds of questions that are asked in academia, not necessarily in the professional environment. And so really our focus here has been to sort of merge the two and finding that balance between the two to really help push EYP beyond, which is why we're collaborating with the UPenn students. They're really asking the key questions about building envelopes, human comfort, how all of these things need to come together to make an envelope. You can't come up with amazing new things by doing things the same way. It isn't until you really change that process that you can come up with the larger leaps. And what we need to do is we really need to focus on additional collaborations with academia. And it's going to be a big endeavor because not only is it academia and setting up a structure for doing this, it's bringing in manufacturers, it's bringing in fabricators, bringing in construction managers, people that understand what the process is and maybe understand how it needs to change. It's this level of thinking that we recognize that needs to happen in order to push design forward.